age is it time to stop doing baby hair? I ask myself this all the time, like, Jessica, at what age do you have to stop doing baby hair? Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today's video is a hair tutorial. I'm back with another hair tutorial, guys. I'm so excited about it. These type of videos are my favorite. So if you're interested in this video, if you're interested to see how I did a full sew-in, honey, full sew-in with no leave out, stay tuned for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you love the hairstyle, because I'm giving you holiday vibes, honey. Today is Thanksgiving. Did I mention that? Today is Thanksgiving. I'm doing this video. It's not going to be up until after Thanksgiving, because I'm going to edit it after dinner and I eat all that stuff, my mac and cheese, because you know, a girl from the South and we love mac and cheese. But I'm having moderation. It's all about moderation. But yes, wand curls. I love it. We're able to toss the hair back, you know, honey. We're laughing, getting a little bit of baby hair and stuff like that. Question: at what age is it time to stop doing baby hair? Like, because I know the young girls, they're really into the baby hair these days, and yeah, I don't know. So these are the things that I think about. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. What age? I'm just interested to find out what you guys, you know, what age you guys think. But I'm loving the hair. I'm loving the wand curls. This is a this hair is Peruvian natural wave. It's really beautiful and it's natural state, but I add a little wand curls in it just to elevate the texture a little bit more. This is more my vibe. So yeah, I love it. It's very full. I have in 3 bundles of hair. And I love it. I just have a little bit of my baby hair out, no leave out. Like, it looks great. It looks seamless. It looks so great. But stay tuned for the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you're watching this video to this point and you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Come on, join the family. Join all the love that I'm giving out here. All right, so let's get started. This is my braid pattern. There is no technique to this because I am not the best braider. So it's super simple. I just put it to the back. You can twist your hair back. You can do whatever just to get it to lay flat and to be able to attach the wefts to it. So mainly the sewing in the back doesn't matter. The real technique is in the front and just making it look seamless and not showing your wefts. So you can find any simple, you know, sewing tutorial on YouTube. It is so easy, you know, and you should be able to do the hair yourself. So basically, I am just sewing the hair in. Nothing difficult about that. The only thing, guys, I did off camera was add a few more wefts to the very back of my head because I feel like it needed a little bit more. But I'm going in to the wefts there and connecting it back there, you see. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zigzag, 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 going toward the front and back, front and back, and front and back. And that's it. That's all I'm doing to the front part of my head. All right, and that is how I get a very seamless look, very natural look without leaving any leave out. Okay. Alrighty. and then back. And now I'm about to take it and bring it back up on the next row. And guys, stay tuned to the end, because if there's any tracks that are showing, I got this really cool trick that I'm gonna show you how to cover up a few of the tracks that may kind of peek through, that you may see, like how maybe you may be able to see this one depending on how I kind of flip it over. Please stay tuned to the end. This technique is so amazing. It's so easy for those of you who don't feel like having to manipulate your natural hair to fit with the curl pattern that your install, your wefts are. This is so easy. It's so simple. It's so beautiful. It looks so natural. You're able to flip your hair, and I will show you exactly how. So alright guys, I am almost done. I'm to the point now where I have this little piece here that's left. Alright guys, so basically what I'm going to do to conceal this little piece here and a few other spots, that just in case you pull your hair back, you know, or the wind blow, or you either want to like kind of toss it to each side, we're basically going to take your little crochet needle. This is the only thing you're going to need, guys. Just this crochet needle, and it's going to conceal a lot of the tracks here. So I'm going to take a little bit, very little, don't take so much, of the hair, and I'm going to put it through the crochet needle, and that's mainly it. This is the major part that needs to be covered up here. We basically just gonna take this piece here, there. You can see that right there. And we're going to take a crochet needle through. If you guys can see that, pull it through. Sometimes some of the pieces don't fully go through because his hair is kind of layered, but that's fine. You know, with it being curly hair, that actually makes it look like really believable. So we kind of got that front part. There's, you know, a little bit more back here. So we're gonna do that one more time. I'm gonna grab a big piece this time. All right, guys, so this is the finished product here. I'm gonna have it with like a side part. I think that looks good. And guys, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will answer any of your questions. I hope you were able to keep up and understand. Super easy. It was a full sew in with no leave out. And again, my name is Jessica. Happy holiday and happy Vlogmas. Bye.